No bands have the bomb. No bands have the bomb.
Might use that much.
No bands have the bomb.
No bands, no bands.
It's us. Us? Yep. Friendly.
Okay, we need someone on that lab.
The left door here. Okay. Blake stay. Blake was in the dark room.
I should go over there too. Okay.
I have an exposed flank here.
I'm going next door. I'm coming over there with you. Okay. You gotta get that door open though.
Yeah. Hey, Cal.
Yeah.
Let me know if someone's coming. I'll lob a grenade out the door.
Okay. Cover me. Hit! That guy coming out!
Run, Cal, run!
What the fuck? Grenade outside. Hit. Walking out. Walking out. One.
Shit, sorry.
Run, Dan, run! Get back here!
Yeah, dead. Hit.
Brandon.
Yeah.
You have to click the arm. You're in a lot better throw position than I am. Cal! You're good. I got him with the grenade.
Come on in, man!
Come on in. Holy shit, dude. We got any more explosives? Like, hurry up, get in here. This is fucking awesome.
I'm gonna drop him that way. Okay. Sit in there.
Fucking just grenades everywhere. Got any more? Fuck. I've let off my two, one in there, one in the hall, and then I've already let yours off. I got this now. What worries me is Blake with a shield.
Yeah. Just touch it.
Well, because when my one that went in the other room was Blake. So I'm like,
Hit. Am I walking?
Cal, are you still good in there?
Yeah, got heat. That guy coming out.